Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Smallco2 Tool once again. Today in this video I want to share with you best article spinning practices, how to rewrite article to get it 100% uniqueness. Before we get started guys, there are a lot of article spinners out there, and this video I'm not going to make use of any of them because this tool actually allows you to rewrite article without giving value to the article. When you write article with article spinner, most of the time you discover that the article is 100% unique but not readable. This one I'm going to show you today is going to review to you how you can rewrite article for your guest post, how you can rewrite article to attract your competitors, how to rewrite article to rank #1 Google first page. So guys, before we get started, please, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell, turn on the notification to get updated whenever I drop new video that's SEO, backlinking, Viber tips and guide, affiliate marketing review, and so on. So guys, before we get started, this is my computer screen as you can see. So I'm going to make use of a tool called Smallco2. This tool is a tool that allows you to check your article uniqueness, that is to check the plagiarism of your article. This tool is a great tool. I've been using this tool for over 3 years now, and I can say this tool works best for me. Though there are a lot of article uniqueness checker there or article plagiarism checker out there, but I best recommend this, and I also I best use this, so it works for me, and most of the time when I use this I get a faster results. And please remember this, I'm not like affiliate to this tool here. No one pays me for this, so I'm just trying to recommend a best tool that you can use to check your article uniqueness. Let's get started guys. So what I'm going to use today, like I said, I'm going to make use of this tool here called Smallco2 that I use to check my article uniqueness, and I'm going to make use of another tool called Google Translator. So this is what I'm going to use, Google Translator, or we use what we call Bing Translator. So now remember we are trying to rank on the first page of Google, and I wouldn't recommend you using the Google Translator. I do use this and I get result, but I discovered that whenever I use Google Translator, since this is a product of Google, most of the time I don't get 100% uniqueness in my article spinning practices. So I recommend, and you should use this tool called the Bing Translator. So I'm going to head over to my Bing Translator. What I'm going to use this tool now, I'm going to make use of this tool to get 100% unique article without having to go to Viber or a freelancing website to order for article, or without stressing myself writing up articles. So I'm going to make use of this to get 100% unique article within 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, let me show you how you will get this done. So now, if you are on a blogging niche or a blogging related niche, affiliate marketing niche, product review niche, or any niche you are into, you can use this to generate article to rank your website without having any issues with the website. All right, so now I'm going to assume that I run on which niche am I going to use now for this video? Okay, let's just use a random niche. So let me look for something on the web to get idea, or let me search for some like importance of SEO. So I want to use this to get article that I want to rewrite. So okay, now on this keyword importance of SEO, you will discover that this website is ranking, digitalmarketinginstitute.com is ranking #1, and we have searchenginejournal.com ranking #2, and we have most.com ranking #3. So let's assume I have an authoritative blog or authoritative website, and I want to compete with these gurus up here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a way to get original article. So this is what I'm going to do. We have importance of SEO. I'm not going to rewrite these people article, because if I do, I might not get the result I'm looking for. If I should rewrite this article here, I might not get the result I'm looking for. So what I'm going to do now, so watch how I do my stuff. So this is how I do my article to get original article that has to do with importance of SEO to build up these guys here. This is what I do. I head over to my tool. This I'm going to use it to go back to previous articles in the past. I'm going to choose article I have 24 hours ago, I have past week, I have past month, past year. I can actually select my custom range, that is the date I want to show article for. So I'm going to use this past year. So what this allows me to go back to last year or past year to get original articles, to get article which I'm going to spin to get the 100% uniqueness in it. All right. So importance of technical optimization for SEO. We have 10 important 2021 SEO trend you need to know. We have this. So let me just look for some article that is related to what I want. The importance of SEO for business. Okay, let me go with this. What's the name of the website? drumcreative.com. So this drumcreative.com, I'm going to use this article. Mind you, I'm not going to publish this article. I'm just using this to show you guys how this works. Okay. We have this article here. It's good. This article is not that long, but I will recommend you go for article at least 2k words, 3k words, depending on the keyword you want to rank for. Right now, if I should use this article here to rank on the keyword importance of SEO, I might not show up Google first page. Why? Because the article is not long enough. If you have a authoritative blog or website, like a ranking website already, you can actually use this article to beat up competitors because your site is authoritative. But if you're just starting up a new blog or a new website, I will say you go for longer articles. So for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to go for longer article. I'm going to make it more short by using this short article here. So what I'm going to do, I will head over to my Bing Translator. I'm going to copy my heading, the importance of SEO, which is my keyword I want to rank for. I'll go here and I paste it over here. Then I'll hit the enter button to make a space. Then go down to copy my article here. This is my article. So I'm going to copy it and then head over to my Bing Translator and paste it here. Control V to paste. All right. I'm going to go down again. Why the blah blah blah. All right. So I'm going to copy this as a subheading. I'm going to copy it and head over to my Bing Translator and make a space again, so I won't confuse myself. And then head down. I think I'm good with this. Let me do this now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a language to translate this article. Now this is already written in English language. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a different language to translate this. I'm going to look for language. Okay, I'm going to use Norwegian. So this allows me to translate from English to Norwegian. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy this article here and head back here, highlight this and delete. Remember, I've copied the English words to Norwegian. So I'm going to paste my Norwegian article here and then go back to English again to get it back. So let's go here. See, we've copied this article. This article is unique now. So what we're going to do, we're going to head over to our small SEO tool, Plagiarism checker, and then copy our article. This is our article. We're going to copy here. Or let's wait for this to come up, then paste it over there. Oh, we are still waiting for this to come up. All right, guys, since this website I want to open up, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to recommend another website that allows you to check article uniqueness. This website is called a duplicate checker. I can't keep waiting for this because this is going to take our time, so I can't wait for it to load up again. I think I'm having a bad network today, so I'm going to recommend another website you can use to check article uniqueness, which is the website is called a duplicate checker. All right, duplicatechecker.com. This website allows you to check your article plagiarism. As you can see here, it said plagiarism checker. This allows you to check your article uniqueness. Since this website I want to come up small SEO too, but next time at your own time, if it comes up, you can use it to do what you want to do. So I'm going to close it. Let's make use of this. So I will head over to my article back and copy it here. Copy, head over and paste. Oh, I think I'm done with this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to copy is this and marketing. Head over to my, okay, do the same thing again. Okay, I think this is it. Let's just do this once. Copy, head over to our translator. So let's marketing. All right, branding, leaks. So what we're going to do next, we're going to convert this to Norwegian language. Remember, this is the language we are using here. So we're going to convert. Let's wait for it to convert. All right. So we've translated from English to Norwegian, and we're going to copy it and head over to our duplicate checker. Why diffuse about ranking on search engine? So this is it here as a subheading. So I'm going to paste this here. So as you can see, I've gotten my articles. Sorry, I think there's a mistake here. I haven't translated back to English. So this is it, knowing gun. I've copied, so I'm going to translate back to English. So I'm going to paste it here and then translate back to English. Let's wait for it to come up. All right, so this is it. I'm going to copy and head over to our duplicate checker and then paste it over here. So this is our article. This article is unique. So let's see if this article gives us what we're looking for, which is getting 100% uniqueness. So let's go down to check plagiarism. So while this is loading, I'm going to cut this video to show up. Alright, as you can see guys, this is the article, this is the result we've gotten so far. Let's see if this article is unique or not. So I got 75% uniqueness and I got 25% plagiarism, and I'm not okay with this because this is not my aim. My aim is to get 100% unique article. So what I'm going to do to get a 100% unique article, I'm going to head back to my article and then highlight and copy back again and go back to my translator. This is Bing Translator. I'm going to highlight this here and delete. So this time around, I'm not going to use the language knowing since we're unable to get 100% unique article. So what we're going to do now, we're going to change to another language, and this time around we're going to choose something like let's check Japanese. No, and most time I use Portuguese and it's cool, so let's go with Portuguese. And then copy back, head over here, highlight, delete, and paste it here. Right, go back again, turn to English. Yeah, and this is it. So let's see if this is 100% unique or not. So let's paste it here and then check back again. Let's check plagiarism. All right, so bear with me, let's wait for it to come up. Scanning plagiarism. Wow. So guys, as you can see, we've gotten our 100% unique article. This article is unique, and you can use this article for your guest posts. You can use it for your website ranking. You can actually use this article to get AdSense approval. So what you do to modify this article, export to Word format, then edit it, read them, make some edits, and most time I don't really do some editing. So what I do, I use Grammarly Premium or any tool that you can use to check your article grammar. So I'm going to copy this and go to my Grammarly. So you can see I've gotten 100% unique article. This article is so unique. You can use this article to beat your competitors. This is how I got my article. This is how I spin my article without using any spinner tool. This is what I do, and I got 100% result from it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to head over to my Grammarly Premium. Remember, I've copied this, and I'm actually on the guest mode. So I'm going to head over to my account to access my Grammarly. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste my article in my Grammarly Premium account. So guys, right now we are on our Grammarly. So what we're going to do, we're going to paste our article here. This allows us to cross-check and modify errors, make sure everything is good. So here is a method of ranking algorithm. I think this is actually cool. Let me go back. Most digital marketers consider ranking in search engine a top priority practice known as XEO. XEO, search engine optimization, is a method of ranking algorithm. This is cool. The method of the ranking algorithm. So I'm okay with this algorithm. Method of ranking the algorithm, no. So I'm going to modify this to make sure it's readable. All right, so let's go down XEO. So let's go down. Providing a business as a competitive advantage, providing a business with a competitive advantage. So if you have Grammarly Premium, it's going to allow you, like, see, this my account is not premium, is a free tool that I'm actually using, but I'm cool with this article here. But if you are using premium, you can use it to modify the article, make it look more authentic and readable. Well, as it is like this is actually 100% readable. You can read them, the importance of SEO for business, blah blah blah. So you can take your time to read through. This is 100% readable. When you use article spinner tool, it is not going to get you what you're looking for. Most time it changes the word to opposite words, and most time Google search crawler don't pick such article to rank on Google first page. But this is the best method you can actually get 100% unique article without having to employ someone to write article for you, without having to spend hugely on articles. So this is how to get article for your guest posts, your AdSense approval, whatever you want to do with your. Please, if you like this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like my videos and also drop your comment below. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.